I wanted to make this quick video to show you the ins and outs of 3 of my favorite websites for piano. And this one is called the Chopin Online Chopin Variorum Edition. And what it's good for is if you have a piece that has a lot of different versions, you can check it out and see what all the different variants. So I'm just going to pick this one, Nocturnes Opus 15, and here we have the autograph. That means it's Chopin's handwriting, and it looks like it's not very complete. It's just a little bit. But if we go here, these are all other editions that are considered good sources. If I go here, this is the first edition. Sterling is what it said on the front there. That was a student of Chopin, so maybe there's marks in here or something, I don't know. And if you click on the measure, then it shows you in all of those different sources, what does that measure look like in each of the different versions. And this is where it's very helpful to decide if there are several versions, which one you're going to play. Sometimes there'll be 15 of one variant and only 2 of the other. So you can kind of do like a majority rules sort of situation. My next favorite website is called pianolibrary.org. That's what it's called. And what this is good for is finding other pieces to play that are around the right level of difficulty for you. So say you've already played this piece, the C sharp minor Mazurka Opus 6 number 1. If I click number 2, if I click on that, it shows me the beginning of the piece. Here's C sharp minor number 2. If I click this, it'll play a little bit of it. It's just a computer generated version, but you can get an idea if you like it or not. I do find that if you don't like the first 4 measures, you're generally not going to like the rest of it. So if you don't like it at first, you don't necessarily need to listen to the rest of it. But the important point here is the difficulty level is right there. And if you click on that, it takes you to a list of a whole bunch of other pieces at that same level of difficulty. And here there are 4 by Ravel. Wow, what are they? Gosh, I'm not familiar even with this one, Margot LaRouge. In any case, so let's say you want to play this one. You click here, you go here. Here it is again. You can play, you can listen. But the other really, really useful thing is it has a link up here, the IMSLP link. And IMSLP is an online library of free sheet music that's out of copyright that you can download. So if I click on that IMSLP link, I'm taken right to the particular piece that we were just looking at, the Valse Noble. And these pink tabs are all the performances. You can download them, listen. But here are the free sheet music versions that you can then also download. So if I click on, let's say, complete score, this is going to be all of the Valse Noble, not just the one that we were looking at. It'll put it there for me to download, and I can click download. And there it goes, right onto my computer. And since I do all my music on an iPad, this is extremely handy. I just put it on my iPad and I'm ready to play. I don't have to print it out, which would be more of a hassle. Let's say you're, I think that's all I want to say about this. If you're looking for a specific piece on IMSLP, I find it's easiest to just type IMSLP and then, put whatever your piece is that you're looking for, and it'll pull up the link for you. I haven't had good luck with using the search function on IMSLP. I don't know, I can't get it to work properly. Maybe you can. All right, hope those sites are really helpful to you.